Dear doctors and students, welcome to part 5 of analyzing symptoms and selecting the rubrics. I am Dr. Mansoor Ali, Professor, Government Homeopathy Medical College, Calicut, Kerala of South India. Symptoms play an important role in unfolding the true image of the sickness, but in practical experience are very difficult to obtain from the sick person and are also difficult to understand and interpret correctly. That is why we have a series of lectures on analyzing symptoms and selecting the rubric. How to trace the symptoms from the patient, how to analyze it, and how to convert that into the language of the repertory or materia medica. And this work is based on the homeopathic repertories of Kent, Synthesis, Murphy, and Complete Repertory by Roger van Zandvoort. And I am sure this work will definitely help the doctors and students in arriving at a simillimum. Now, what is the relevance of history representing complaint and how we can trace the history representing complaint and how we can convert that into the language of the repertory? For example, a young male with a severe pain in the right testicle since few hours. He revealed a history of sudden lifting, heavy weight in gymnasium. So what may be the diagnosis? Probably that is testicular torsion. A child with high-grade fever and tender swelling in the buttocks. On asking the parents, revealed that an injection by the local doctor yesterday. So that may be a post-injection abscess. Post-injection abscess. And we can select the rubrics based on that. Hematuria before micturition. That is probably because of the urethral polyp or hemangioma. But hematuria after micturition, that is probably because of the urinary bladder calculi. So based on the symptoms explained by the patient itself, we can arrive at a diagnosis and select the rubric. So after micturition, that may be because of the urinary bladder calculi, but hematuria before micturition probably because of the urethral polyp or hemangioma. Similarly, pain at the cause of the urination or after the urination, that is probably because of the cystitis, inflammation of the bladder. So we can select the rubric based on that. Bladder inflammation, acute or chronic, like that. So history presenting complaint especially deals with the etiology behind the onset of the disease, how the disease progressed along with the appearance of the symptoms in sequential order. Then we will get a clear-cut idea about the diagnosis, the rubrics and the prognosis. A child with neck swelling and high-grade fever, that is probably because of the acute bacterial lymphadenitis. But a swelling with low-grade fever, swelling in the cervical region with low-grade fever, that may be because of the tuberculosis. The abdominal pain aggravates by meal but ameliorates by empty stomach, that may be gastric ulcer. But the stomach pain or abdominal pain aggravates on empty stomach but ameliorates by meal, then the rubric is duodenal ulcer. So we have the separate set of rubric for the gastric ulcer and duodenal ulcer. So based on the symptoms, we can arrive at a diagnosis, whether the pain aggravates before meal or after a meal. And rubric for the peptic ulcer, that is a stomach ulcer, that includes both gastric and duodenal ulcer. So a non-bilious vomiting is mainly due to non-obstructive causes like gastritis, meningitis, migraine, etc. But a bilious vomiting indicates obstruction of bowel beyond the opening of the common bile duct. So be careful about that. The history of presenting complaint may be coincidental also. That has no direct relation with the presenting complaint. That may be coincidental also. So ultimate care should be taken during the history of presenting complaint. An old man informed about the painless swelling in the left inguinal region since 2 months. Remember, since 2 months. Noticed after taking medicine from a local doctor for diarrhea and vomiting. So this may be an inguinal hernia or lymphadenopathy. That has no relation with the medicine. So a coincidental happening. Usually the patient that will they will narrate like this complaint started after medication from a local doctor for diarrhea and vomiting, but that is a coincident only. A diagnosis is possible from the major symptoms also. Renal colic, usually dull aching pain, but uretary colic, that's a colicky pain. So from the nature of pain itself, we can differentiate, we can highlight a diagnosis and select the rubric. And remember, if nothing significant in the past history, write as there is no history of any significant acute or chronic illness in the past history of the patient. Besides, there is no history of hospitalization and any major or minor surgery in the past, like that. You have to write it like this. Not like usually the students will write nothing relevant in the past history or past history, but that should not be like that. There is no history of any significant acute or chronic illness in the past history of the patient. And besides, there is no history of any hospitalization or any major or minor surgery in the past. Suppose another example, if you are asking about the tuberculosis, because of the social stigma, they will hide it. Many patients will not understand it. But ask, have you ever suffered from chronic cough in the past? Then usually they will give an answer. And have you received some prolonged treatment in the past for 6 or 9 months? Usually the tuberculosis treatment is for the 6 months, 9 months or 11 months, like that. So then we can arrive at the history, past history of tuberculosis. Otherwise they will never disclose it because of the social stigma or the ignorance. Another example, a 10-year-old child presented with a swelling in the epigastric region of the abdomen revealed a blunt abdominal injury while playing at school a few weeks back. This information led to a strong suspicion of a pseudopancreatic cyst. That is probably a pseudopancreatic cyst, a blunt injury 2 to 3 weeks back. A 45-year-old male presented with a slow-growing swelling at the tip of his right finger for a few days. Swelling on the tip of his right finger. He was able to recall a history of pain prick injury at the same site a few months back. So that may be an implantation dermoid cyst. A 5-month-old girl with a non-tender swelling on his left thigh. A non-tender swelling on the left thigh. On inquiring about any significant event in the past, informed about the DPT vaccination. So this may be an abscess after the vaccination. We have a specific rubric for this type of complaints. Side effects of vaccination. Fever and malaise in a case of rheumatic heart disease patient. Fever and malaise in a case of rheumatic heart disease patient, and there may be a history of tooth extraction few days ago, probably infective endocarditis. Probably infective endocarditis, that may be the diagnosis, history of tooth extraction few days ago. A 30-year-old Kerala male presented with the swelling of the left leg for 1 month. He revealed a history of visit to Bihar, probably because of filariasis. That may be the diagnosis, filariasis. A patient with a swelling on the floor of the mouth. He revealed a similar small swelling in the same site few years back. That is probably a ranula. So from the history of presenting complaint, we can arrive at a diagnosis. A girl with severe pain in the right iliac fossa with a similar episode few months back. Right iliac fossa. That may be ureteric stone. So you have to ask for the previous illness from childhood down the present chronologically. Which age at which attack appeared with its nature, symptoms, duration and severity and sequences. So which age at which attack appeared with its nature, symptoms, duration, severity and sequences. So that's in brief about the history part. Now we will discuss some interesting rubrics, interesting clinical situations and the corresponding rubric. How to trace the symptoms from the patient, how to analyze it, and how to convert that symptoms explained by the patient into the language of the repertory. So how you will work out a trigeminal neuralgia, that is comparatively good scope in homeopathy compared to conventional systems of medicines, an intolerable pain, the trigeminal neuralgia. So which rubric will work out in that case? The direct rubric that is available in Murphy's repertory, face pain, nerve, trigeminal neuralgia. Then face pain, trigeminal neuralgia. And another rubric, face pain, nerves during 5 nerve causes of. That's a rubric in complete repertory. pain nerve during 5 nerve course of. So face pain nerve trigeminal neuralgia, that is rubric in synthesis repertory. Face pain trigeminal neuralgia, that is in Murphy's repertory. And in complete repertory, face pain nerves during 5 nerve courses of. Always feels she has forgotten something. Always feels she has forgotten something. How you will work out that? The rubric mind forgotten something feels constantly. Forgotten something feels constantly. Tells answers before the teacher complete the question. That student will tell the answer before the teacher complete the question. How you will work out that? Agility mental. Agility mental. So we will discuss the physical generals, mental generals and particulars. So agility mental. He behaves well even towards his enemy. He behaves well even towards his enemy. Can you suggest a rubric for that? Affability enemy to. Affability enemy to. That's a rubric in synthesis repertory. Patient repeatedly asks about the intake of medicines prescribed. Read the prescription again and again. It's very difficult to handle this type of patient. They are repeatedly asking about the intake of medicines prescribed, whether I have to take it before food or after food, and he reads the prescription again and again. So the rubric checking, recheck everything twice or thrice. Another rubric asking same things constantly. Asking same things constantly, or checking, recheck everything twice or thrice. Always speaks nothing but politics. He always speaks nothing but politics. Suppose he is speaking about the food, that also ultimately lead to politics. Then the rubric mind politics. Mind politics. Everybody knows what her disease is. She used to discuss with it everyone. She is in the habit of discussing her disease with everyone. So everybody knows about her problem or about her disease. Can you suggest a rubric for that? The rubric mind discuss symptoms with everyone. Symptoms with everyone. Wife got transferred to a farther place. Husband feels like missing her. Wife got transferred to a farther place and husband feels like missing her. There is a good rubric in synthesis repertory, yearning. Yearning. So which rubric will work out for a spineless person? Spineless, without the spine. That means he has no courage. He has no decision power. Two rubrics are there. Mind is spineless, will weakness of. Will weakness of. She loves gardening. Her main hobby, that's gardening. Some 2 to 3 related rubrics are there. Plants love for, gardening desire for. That's a rubric in complete repertory. Love nature. Another rubric in complete repertory. Nature love. That's a rubric in synthesis repertory. So plants love for, gardening desire for. Love nature and nature love. That's a rubric in synthesis repertory. Some rubrics related to the gardening. That unpleasant thought comes into my mind repeatedly. The same thought, that unpleasant thought, repeatedly coming into my mind. That creates some problem. Thoughts persistent, unpleasant thoughts haunted by it. In Cancer repertory, that is mentioned it as mind thoughts persistent, unpleasant thoughts haunted by, and the main rubric is natrium muriaticum. The child pinches everybody, is in the habit of pinching everybody. The rubric mind pinching. Can you suggest a rubric for this attitude? Spoken to my ex after 10 years. He asked Miss or Mrs. I said doctor. I said doctor. Can you suggest a rubric for this attitude? That is determination. Determination is a rubric for that condition. Blurring of the vision during headache. That usually happen in migraine headache. How you will work out blurring of the vision during headache. That rubric is there in the chapter vision. Flickering headache before, a common symptom of migraine headache. Vision, flickering headache during, or it may be headache before or after. Increased sweat after waking up. Increased sweat after waking up. That rubric is there in the chapter perspiration, daytime while awake. While awake. Son spent too much time in the bathroom. The son spends, an adolescent age group, spend too much time in the bathroom. We can interpret it as male masturbation solitude seeks. Probably because of that, the habit of doing masturbation. So, masturbation solitude seeks. Whenever a guest comes to home, the child hides behind the door. Whenever a guest comes to home, the child hides behind the door. So, which rubric will work out in this condition? The rubric is hiding. That's the rubric in this case. Continuously blows his nose even though nothing comes out. He is in the habit of continuously blowing the nose even though nothing comes out. That may be a habit or because of coryza. So some related rubrics, nose coryza discharge without. Another rubric, nose, blowing the nose, inclination to blow the nose constantly. Blowing the nose, inclination to blow the nose constantly. Then another rubric in complete repertory, nose, dryness internal. Blow nose, must, but no discharge. These are all some rubric related to this condition. Feel something crawling under the skin. Maybe a symptom of the cocaine bugs like that. Feel something crawling under the skin. The rubric skin worms under the skin. Cocaine and coca, these are the two important remedies mentioned in that condition. Cocaine and coca. Skin worms under the skin. Exaggerated feeling tendency when stroked on the skin. Exaggerated wheeling tendency when stroked on the skin. So how we will work out that? Says chronic urticaria. The rubric dermographism. Skin dermographism. That's a rubric mentioned in synthesis repertory. Exaggerated urticaria, wheeling tendency when stroked on the skin. That is dermographism. Then how you will work out allergy to cement? Allergy to cement. That rubric is there in Murphy's repertory. Skin, urticaria, cement. Maxol, Rustox, Natumura are the main remedies. Skin, urticaria, cement. Allergic to the hair of animals. Allergic to the hair of animals. That rubric is there in complete repertory. The chapter clinical, allergy, hair of animals, cats, dogs, etc. Allergy, hair of animals, of cats, dogs, etc. That is there in complete repertory. Then allergic to proteins. How you will work out? Protein allergy. That is there in complete repertory clinical chapter. Anaphylaxis by proteins and enzymes. Anaphylaxis by protein and enzymes. Then allergic to gluten. That is also a common complaint nowadays. Allergic to gluten. The rubric in complete repertory, clinical gluten intolerance. Clinical gluten intolerance. Decreased hormone levels in the body. How you will work out? Decreased hormone levels in the body. That is also in complete repertory clinical hormonal hypofunction. Hormonal hypofunction. So we have to use different repertories like the cancer repertory, synthesis, Murphy or complete repertory, because the rubrics and the medicines are different in different repertories. Headache from not taking food at the right time. Headache from not taking the food at the right time. How you will work out this condition? Head pain fasting from, and the most important remedy is lycopodium. Head pain fasting from. Allergic to mosquitoes. How you will work out the mosquito allergy? That rubric is there even in cancer repertory. Skin stings of insects. And there is a sub-rubric in synthesis repertory, skin stings of insects, mosquito from. And another rubric in complete repertory, skin itching, mosquito bite after. Skin itching, mosquito bite after. And the main remedies are the caladium, ledempal, artica urens, etc. for this complaint. So this is a rubric for the mosquito allergy. Calcium crystals in the urine. Suppose your urine routine examination revealed crystals as calcium oxalate. Then we will get a specific rubric for that condition, and the main remedy is nitric acid. We can prescribe based on the diagnosis or prescribe based on the laboratory investigations also. Urine sediment oxalate of lime. Urine sediment oxalate of lime. Suppose the phosphatic crystals in the urine, on a urine routine examination, phosphatic crystals in the urine. Then we have to take the rubric urine sediment phosphate of lime. That rubric is there in cancer repertory. And the main remedy is acidum phosphoricum. Urine sediment phosphate of lime. So prescribing on the basis of the laboratory investigation, that will give good results. Suppose the urate crystals in the urine, then the rubric urine sediment urate. Urine sediment urate. Pain in small spots. How you will work out? In the generalities chapter of the cancer repertory, generals, pain, small spots. And the main remedies are the calibicromicum, pulsatilla, etc. Pain in small spots. So the rubric for the primary tuberculosis, especially seeing in children, the primary tuberculosis, that is common nowadays, and the allopaths needs 9 months or 11 months treatment, but we need only 1 or 2 months treatment with our remedies. The rubric chest thysis pulmonalis incipient. Chest thysis pulmonalis incipient. Now how you will work out the pus in the urine? On routine examination of the urine, pus 2 plus 3 plus or abundant of plus. How you will work out? The rubric urine sediment purulent. And as I said earlier, the prescribing on the basis of the diagnosis or prescribing on the basis of the laboratory investigation, that will yield very good results. So urine sediment purulent, that's a rubric for the pus in the urine. Now the irritability before menses, the premenstrual symptom. Irritability, anger, menses during. So the menses before, PMT. How you will work out? The rubric in cancer repertory or synthesis or complete repertory, mind irritability, menses before. The main remedy is folliculinum. Mind irritability, menses before. So the rubric for the recurrent abscess. The rubric generalities abscess recurrent in cancer repertory, and the main remedy, that is syphilinum for the recurrent abscess. And gets cold frequently. He used to get colds frequently, recurrent cold and coryza. The rubric generalities cold tendency to take. That's the main rubric. That's an important rubric also. Generalities cold tendency to take. And which rubric will work out for the chronic cold or chronic coryza? The rubric for the chronic cold or chronic coryza, the rubric nos coryza chronic. Nos coryza chronic. Thickening and blackish discoloration of the skin from repeated scratching. Otherwise it is called as hyperkeratotic eczema. Because of the constant scratching, the skin become thick and black, hyperkeratotic skin. And the main remedy in that rubric is Ruxtox, followed by lacosis. The rubric in cancer repertory, skin thick, scratching after. Skin become thick, scratching after. That's one of the commonly used rubric in our day-to-day clinical practice, especially in chronic eczema or the lichen planus. Shoe bite causing ulcers. After wearing a new shoe, that results in ulcers. And the most important remedy is allium cepa. So how will you work out that? Extremities ulcers, foot rubbing the shoe. That's a rubric. Extremities ulcers, foot rubbing the shoe. That's a rubric, and allium cepa and borax are the main remedies. Loss of speech after an attack of stroke or cerebrovascular accident. Loss of speech after an attack of stroke. mouth, speech, wanting, apoplexy after. Mind aphasia, apoplexy after, that is another rubric. Then hypertension during pregnancy. Hypertension during pregnancy, how you will work out it. The rubric that is there in complete repertory only, hypertension pregnancy in. Hypertension pregnancy in, and the main remedy that is firm force. Hypertension pregnancy. How you will work out vertigo and hypertension together. Vertigo and hypertension. In a patient you have vertigo also, and the same patient with vertigo. The rubric clinical hypertension vertigo in. That rubric is also only in complete repertory. Clinical hypertension vertigo in. Walks like an ox. Walks like an ox. That means the grissus vaccinus, walking down on the outer edge of the foot. Grissus vaccinus, that is a rubric in Kent's repertory. That is a neurological symptom. Walks like a cock. How the cock walk? The rubric is grissus gallinaceus. That means a high stepping gait in tertiary syphilis. That is a neurological complaint. High stepping gait. Cocks always walk like that. High stepping gait. So the rubric in cancer repertory, that is grissus gallinaceus. Cock's gait. That is a high stepping gait. Healed wounds leave scar mark on the skin. Healed wound leaves scar mark on the skin. How you will work out that condition? Skin cicatrizes, eruptions after. And two sub-rubrics are there, elevated scar, depressed scar. Sometimes after the eruptions or after the wound, the scar may be elevated or depressed. So, you have to consider either skin cicatrizes, eruption after, or another rubric cicatrizes, elevated, and another rubric cicatrizes, depressed. So, that is a rubric for the healed wound, leaves scar mark on the skin, maybe eruption or an injury. Fever after an infection. Fever after an infection. The rubric fever, infection from, infectious fever. Can you suggest a rubric for this condition? You are what you eat. The left one, emaciation. Generalities, emaciation, children. And the right one, they are not eating at all, not because of poverty, but anorexia nervosa, that's a rubric. Mind anorexia nervosa. Another rubric, anorexia mendalis, purposefully not eating. That's the right image. On the left, but the emaciation. Generalities, emaciation, children. That's because of poverty. No relief for an acute disease after so many medicines. The patient explained like this: Doctor, I have no relief for the disease after so many medication, even with the homeopathic remedies. So, which remedy you will prescribe in that situation? If your indicated remedy not results in a good action or relief to the patient, then which remedy will prescribe in an acute case? Suppose in a case of fever, you prescribed a remedy, but the indicated remedies fails. One or two remedies, one after another you prescribed. So to get an immediate relief to the complaint is not relieved. So for getting any good result in this type of acute diseases, we have to prescribe 1 dose of sulfur. So the rubric generalities, remedies fail to act in acute diseases. As rubric in synthesis repertory, and the remedy is sulfur. Suppose you prescribed a good remedy for cough, but ultimately that not resulted in a complete cure, then give 1 dose of sulfur. Similarly, in the case of fever, when the fever ameliorates but not completely got relieved, then prescribe 1 dose of sulfur. Bluish discoloration where the pimples got healed. The pimples, the acne we can manage very easily, but the discoloration after the acne or the pimples, two important rubrics are there: face discoloration, bluish spots, eruptions after. Skin discoloration, bluish spots, eruptions after. And the most important remedy is lachesis. Skin discoloration, bluish spots, eruptions after. Face discoloration, bluish spots, eruptions after. Child refuses to share his toys with anybody else. How you will interpret and convert that into the language of the repertory? Child refuses to share his toys with anybody else. The rubric, selfishness. Selfishness is the rubric for that condition. If somebody speaks to me without considering that I am a doctor, I will get hurt. I will get hurt. So the rubric, sensitive external impression to. Sensitive external impression to. That is the rubric for that condition. So if somebody speaks rudely without considering that I am a doctor, not respecting me, I will hurt easily. So the rubric, sensitive external impression to. He quarreled with the warden and left the children's home when he was severely punished for a small mistake. For example, in the case of orphanages, he quarreled with the warden and left the orphanage when he was severely punished for a small mistake. And if he was, instead of that, if he was advised and given a chance to repent, he wouldn't have had gone astray. So how you will work out? This incident may happen in schools also. Quarrel with the teacher, and the teacher severely punished, and his life totally spoiled. But if he was advised and given a chance to repent, he wouldn't have had gone astray. So how you will work out this type of situation? Ailments from punishment. That's the rubric given. Mind ailments from punishment. I will kill the person who raped my widowed mother. One or two incidents failed. Still, I have a faith that I will definitely kill. I have a determination that I will definitely kill the person who raped my widowed mother. The rubric, revengeful. Unable to write. That is a symptom of the learning disability. Unable to write. The rubric, write inability to, and the main remedy is Naxomica. Write inability to. The child is attached to the father. Extreme attachment towards the father. Then the rubric, mind attached father to. Mind attached father to. Love for nature and gardening. Love for nature and gardening. There is a direct rubric, mind nature love for, or another rubric, mind gardening desire for. These two rubrics are available in synthesis and complete repertory. Nature love for or gardening desire for. Cannot persist in any job. That may be a symptom of adult ADHD also. Cannot stick on to a particular job. He constantly changing the decisions, constantly changing the occupation. Undertakes many things, not persist in anything. The rubric, mind undertakes many things, not persisting anything. Another rubric is inconstancy. That also you can consider in this case. Chronic cough associated with the heart complaint. Chronic cough associated with the heart complaints. We can prescribe very easily for the cough of cardiac patients. Usually there is a chronic cough that is associated with the heart complaints or thyroid complaint. The rubric, cough sympathetic. That's a rubric in synthesis repertory. Sympathetic means cough in organic heart disease. That has no relation with the sympathetic nervous system, or there is no relation with the sympathy. Cough sympathetic means cough in organic heart disease, and the main remedies are the larocerase, lacasis, etc. etc. Child refuses mother's milk. It is very easy to feed the child with the help of the homeopathic remedy. Two important remedies are the Silesia and Calcarea Phos. So how you will work out? Child refuses mother's milk. Chest milk child refuses to. And the stomach aversion milk of mothers. Stomach aversion milk of mothers, or the chest milk child refuses. Two important remedies are Silesia and Calcarea Phos. Chest pain after pneumonia. In certain patients, they will get severe pain, constant pain in the chest after pneumonia. It is very easy to manage that condition. Chest pain, inflammation of lung after, that's a rubric. chest pain, inflammation of lung. Loss of taste after coryza. That is nowadays very common after the corona. Want of taste. Loss of taste after coryza. The rubric mouth, taste, wanting coryza in. Mouth, taste, wanting coryza in. The main remedies are the pulsatilla and natrium muriaticum. Patellar dislocation while climbing the stairs. The most important remedy is cannabis sativa. That is a good result also. Patellar dislocation while climbing the stairs. Extremities dislocation of patella ascending stairs. That is a rubric given in Kent's repertory also. Extremities chapter dislocation patella ascending stairs. The main remedy is cannabis sativa. So which rubric will work out for the duodenal ulcer? We discussed this condition earlier. So can you give the rubric for that condition? Stomach pain, fasting veil. Stomach pain, eating after amylase. These are the two rubrics for the duodenal ulcer. Stomach pain, fasting veil. Another rubric, stomach pain, eating after amylase. So which rubric will work out for the gastric ulcer? Two rubrics are there. You can consider stomach ulcer, another rubric, stomach pain, eating after. As we discussed at the beginning, the gastric ulcer, the stomach pain usually after eating. So another rubric, stomach ulcer. Now, how you will work out the eruptions on the eyelid? Eruptions on the eyelid. That may be because of inflammation. Eye inflammation, lacrimal sac. Eye inflammation, lacrimal sac. Unable to comb hair neatly or in a shape. Unable to comb the hair in a shape or neatly. How will work out that? Head hair bristling, that's a rubric given in Kent's repertory. Bristling, that means unable to comb the hair in shape. Diarrhea from unripe or raw fruit. The most important remedy is Epicac, acidum phosphoricum. Diarrhea from unripe or raw fruit. We have to give the specific remedy in the during the management of acute disease. Otherwise, we will not get the desired result immediately. Rectum diarrhea, fruit unripe. That's a rubric given in Kent's repertory. Rectum diarrhea, fruit unripe. And she always sleepy. My daughter always sleepy. The rubric sleepiness, overpowering. So we have to check whether that may be due to the anemia or the thyroid complaints or some other deficiency disorders. Sleepiness, overpowering. Convulsions from fever. That means the febrile fits. Which rubric you will work out for the febrile fits? And the most important remedies mentioned in that rubric, that's Nexomic and Strominet. These two remedies are very good action for the febrile fits. Generalities, convulsions, heat during, that's a rubric in Kent's repertory. Generalities, convulsions, heat during the. Husband insult wife in front of the children. Husband insult wife in front of the children. The rubric, abusive. Husband insulting wife before the children. That's a sub-rubric given. Under the abusive rubric, husband insulting wife before the children. Strong desire to achieve success in life. Which rubric will work out for that type of personality? They are always hardworking, enthusiastic people. The rubric, ardent. That may be a rubric for the APJ Abdul Kalam that we discussed in the earlier sessions. Ardent, enthusiastic, hardworking personalities. Swing while watching TV, never waste time. Swing while traveling in a train. So they will never waste time. They are always occupied with some job. The rubric, occupation ameliorates. Now, which rubric will work out for the plantar fasciitis? That is nowadays very common. Plantar fasciitis. Very common, but it is very easy to manage by homeopathy comparing to the conventional system of medicine. Extremities, inflammation, sore, fasciitis, plantar. That's the rubric. Phytolacca and pulsatilla, these are the two remedies. Extremities, inflammation, sores, fasciitis, plantar. That is a rubric given in synthesis repertory. So which rubric will work out for the calcaneal spur? That is also nowadays very common after the age of 40. We can manage the pain comparing to any other system of medicine very easily. Calcaneal spur. The rubric exostosis heals. That's the rubric given in cancer repertory. Extremities, exostosis, feet, heal, calcaneal spur. That's the rubric given in complete repertory also. These two rubrics are there in the rubric is there in complete repertory. Extremities, exostosis, feet, heals, calcaneal spur. Hecala lava and Madorinum. These are the two important remedies mentioned in that for that condition. And the most important intercurrent remedy, that is Madorinum in the case of exostosis or this calcaneal spur. Brother asked the sister, make a coffee for me. And the sister replied, no, on 4th November, Sunday at 3:37 p.m., I asked for a glass of water and you refused, so that I will not give you. Because they are remembering the offenses in the past. That is a common answer from the brother or from a sister. So I will not bring a coffee for you. So how you will work out this? Complaining offenses long past. That's a rubric. Complaining offenses of long past. Father slept lying very close to me. He died in that sleep. So ailments from death of loved one or parents. How you will work out? Ailments from death of parent. Father slept lying very close to me on that particular day. He died in that sleep. That ultimately resulted in some psychiatric problem or psychological problem to the child. So how you will work out? The rubric, death ailments from parents, father, mind ailments from death or ailments from death of parents, father. That is a rubric given in complete repertory. So this rubric is available both in synthesis repertory and complete repertory. Ailments from death of parents and a specific rubric, father, that is given in complete repertory. I do not have any value for myself. I am worthless. She is always saying like this. I do not have any value for myself. I am worthless. Can you suggest? That's actually a delusion, a thought. The rubric, delusion, despised. That rubric is there in complete repertory and synthesis repertory. Another rubric, delusion, worthless. That is there in synthesis repertory. Delusion, worthless, or delusion, despised. I am worthless. I do not have any value for myself. I hear everything in sleep. I hear everything in sleep. The rubric, sleep, semi-conscious, hears everything. That is there even in cancer repertory. Sleep chapter, semi-conscious. That is the rubric, hears everything. Child is irritable after weaning. That means he complains after weaning, after 1.5 years or after 2 months or whatever it may be, complains the child is too irritable and the child has so many problems after weaning. The rubric, generalities weaning after. That's the rubric in synthesis repertory and complete repertory. And another rubric in synthesis repertory, generalities ailments from. Ailments from rubric is there in mind and also in generalities chapter of cancer repertory, synthesis repertory. So generalities ailments from weaning. That's a rubric. And the most important remedy is belladonna, calcarea carb. So which rubric you will work out for the recurrent fever? Child has a recurrent fever since last 3 months or last 3 years, like that. Recurrent fever. The most important remedies are for mentioned in that rubric, that is a fever relapsing. In complete repertory, the rubric is fever recurrent. More or less same remedies are mentioned, like the sulfur, tuberculin and calcarea carb. Ferment, etc. the main remedies for the recurrent fevers. That means the chronic fever. Fever relapsing in synthesis repertory and fever recurrent in complete repertory. So which rubric will work out for the allergic asthma? Rubric for allergic asthma. Respiration asthmatic, hay asthma. That's a rubric given in almost all the repertories. Respiration asthmatic, hay asthma, allergic asthma. Back pain after cesarean section. There is only one remedy mentioned in many of our literatures. That remedy is in 3 mark, and if you are prescribing that remedy in hypotension, that will give good relief to the back pain after the cesarean section. The rubric back pain, sacral region, instrumental delivery after. And the remedies hypericum. That is given even in cancer repertory or in synthesis repertory or in Murphy's repertory. Back pain after instrumental delivery or after cesarean section. Wounds after the bite of poisonous animals. It's very difficult to heal the wounds after the bite of some poisonous animals. Then the rubric generalities, wounds, bites of poisonous animals. And the child biting the nails frequently. How you will work out? In which chapter you will get the rubric for that condition? Biting the nails frequently. The rubric, mind biting nails. Mind biting nails. Aurum trifolium, Sina, etc. are the main remedies. Bleeding in women with uterine fibroid. This child has severe bleeding because of uterine fibroid. We can manage the bleeding very easily comparing to the conventional system of medicine, but the size of the fibroid, that is, it is more than 10 centimeter, it is very difficult to reduce the size of the fibroid, but we can manage the bleeding very easily by giving the remedies. The rubric, genitalia female, metragia fibroid from. That's a rubric given even in cancer repertory. That's a very important rubric. Metragia fibroids from. Good number of medicines are represented. If you are selecting this rubric, that will give immediate relief to the bleeding. But as I said earlier, the size of the fibroid is more than 10. It is very difficult to reduce the size of the fibroid, but we can manage the bleeding very easily. And he is very courageous. The extreme courageousness, the rubric, defiant. The toothache after eruption of wisdom teeth. Toothache after eruption of wisdom tooth. Which rubric will work out? Teeth, wisdom teeth ailments from. That rubric is there even in cancer repertory. The chamomilla, chiranthus, etc. are the main remedies. Teeth, wisdom teeth ailments from. Calcarea floor and silesia, these two remedies are also mentioned in that rubric. Teeth, wisdom teeth ailments from. So which rubric will work out for the cataract? The rubric eye cataract, that is rubric. Fever with the temperature 39 degrees Celsius or 102 degree Fahrenheit. This rubric we have to consider only when the temperature is above 39 degrees Celsius. The rubric, fever, intense heat, that is there in complete repertory and synthesis repertory. You have to take that rubric. The temperature is above 39. Fear of dirt. Fear, dirt of, that is a rubric. Another rubric in synthesis repertory, that is mysophobia. Fear, dirt of. Washing hands repeatedly, that is a symptom of OCD or OCN. Repeatedly washing the hands. Mind washing. Then another rubric, extremities washes. Important remedies are the Naxomica, Syphilinum, Arsenicum album, etc. Washing hands repeatedly, mind washing or extremities washes. Albumin in urine. How you will work out? Suppose in your routine examination, albumin 1 plus 2 plus or 3 plus like that, then we have to take the rubric urine albuminous or another rubric urine sediment albumins. Urine sediment albumins. So how you will work out loss of smell? In which chapter you will get rubric? Loss of smell. Nose, smell, wanting, lost. And there are a lot of sub-rubrics are given under that. Coryza, after or after fever, etc. etc. are given. Nose, smell, wanting, lost. A cardiac surgeon comforts a crying 2-year-old girl by showing cartoons before her surgery. In this way, we have to pacify or console the children or adult or elderly people in our clinical practice. He comforts a crying 2-year-old child by showing cartoons before her surgery. So which rubric will work out for the astigmatism? Eye astigmatism. Cataract, eye cataract. Astigmatism, eye astigmatism, and the most important remedy is tuberculinum. Desire for salt and sour things together. How you will work out? Desire for salt and sour things together. Generalities, food and drinks, sour and salt. That's rubric in synthesis, complete and Murphy's repertory. Generalities, food and drinks, sour and salt. My disease is very old. Suppose a patient complains about a very old disease. You can consider the rubric generalities, complaints, chronic. Super chronic complaint, generals complaints, chronic. Feels alone even when there are many people around. Feels alone even then there are many people around. A related rubric, that is forsaken, feeling of being left alone. Even though the relatives are there, or even though the children, or even though the friends are there, I feel left alone. Always threatens wife and children. Always threatens wife and children. The rubric threatening kill to wife and children. The rubric, main rubric threatening, and the sub rubric kill to wife and children. So which rubric will work out for the carpal tunnel syndrome? That's very common nowadays. It's very difficult to manage by the modern system of medicine. They advise surgery, but after 3 months of surgery, the complaint again recur. So we have good number of remedies like the Viola odorata, Rustos, Guaiacum, Medorinum, etc. The main remedies that is mentioned in carpal tunnel syndrome. Then depending upon the side, which side affected, we have the remedies are different in homeopathy, left side or right side. So the rubric extremities carpal tunnel syndrome, that's the rubric given in complete repertory, synthesis repertory and Murphy's repertory. If you are considering the cancer repertory, you have to take extremities, pain, wrist, left or right like that. So but beautiful rubrics, medicines are given in complete repertory, synthesis and Murphy under the rubric extremities carpal tunnel syndrome. Husband saying, you are upset from the last few days, what happened? Wife replies, there is a folder in your laptop with the name My Documents. You could have named it Our Documents. You don't care for me anymore. I hate you. That is explanation. So can you suggest a rubric for this wife? A rubric for this wife. Maybe because of possessiveness, a type of love, but not willing to share anything with others. So possessiveness. Or another rubric we can consider in this case, that is suspicious. Wife is suspicious of husband. So which rubric will work out for the tennis elbow? Tennis elbow. That will take some more time in conventional system of medicine, but we can manage to a great extent. Extremities injury elbow, tennis elbow. That's a rubric given in synthesis repertory. Extremities inflammation, condyles, tennis elbow. That is a rubric in complete repertory. And in the chapter elbow, there is a sub-rubric tennis elbow in Murphy's repertory. You can refer these 3 repertories for this tennis elbow. Good number of effective remedies are listed. Thought wander in the mind when sitting to study. Otherwise, no problem. While sitting for study, thoughts wander in the mind when sitting for study. Mind thoughts wandering, studying while. That's a rubric given in synthesis and complete repertory. Another rubric in synthesis repertory, concentration difficult, reading or studying while. Mind concentration difficult, reading or studying while. Or the rubric mind thoughts wandering, reading or studying while. Everything lacks neatness and order. Everything is messed up. Can you suggest a rubric for that personality? Everything lacks neatness and order even in his house or in his office. Everything is messed up. The rubric chaotic, utter confusion, chaotic. Child does not like being criticized or contradicted. He will throw things at those who contradict him. The mother explains, or the mother complains that child does not like to be criticized or contradicted. When contradicted, he throws things at those who contradict him. The rubric throwing things around, that is a rubric in synthesis repertory. Throwing things around, persons at offended who. Another rubric, contradiction, disposition to contradict, children in. Throw things on anger, throw things on anger. Then another rubric, irritability questioned when. Irritability questioned when. So these are some good rubrics that you can work out in this case. So if you have to select this type of specific rubrics instead of contradiction, disposition to or a contrary. Some specific medicines are there for children. He is sleepless day and night, keeps on disturbing others. He is sleepless day and night, keeps on disturbing others. irritability children in, sleepless day and night, not only at night time but also in the daytime he is irritable and sleepless. Then the rubric mind irritability children in, sleepless day and night. Child who speaks well in the home does not speak to anybody in the school, has no friends. Child who speaks very well at home does not speak to anybody in the school, has so many friends, has no friends at all. Can you work out? This is also common in our clinical practice. The rubric mind timidity children in, mind timidity children in. Another rubric company aversion to strangers, aversion to the presence of. These are all two rubric you can select in this case. Timidity children in, or another rubric company aversion to strangers, aversion to the presence of. Shopping mania. My wife has shopping mania, or my husband has shopping mania. Can you suggest some related rubrics specifically for this condition? Squanders, spending too much, that's one rubric. Squanders means wasting money, spending too much. Another rubric, impulsive shopping, impulsive to go. That is a shopping mania. Mind impulsive shopping, impulsive to go. Always need purgatives, otherwise she will not have the bowels. Always needs purgatives. Constipation, purgatives or enema after amyloraids. Only after some enema or purgatives she will get relief for the constipation. And the most important remedy mentioned in this case is Naxamic, I think. Won't do anything which require physical exertion. I can have the mental exertion but won't do anything which require physical exertion. Rubric generalities exertion physical aversion for. Mind laziness physical exertion, or mind exertion physical aversion, physical exertion aversion. So won't do anything which require physical exertion. So generalities exertion physical aversion for, mind laziness physical, or mind exertion physical aversion. These are all three rubrics that's related to this condition. Behaves well to the child elder to him and neglect the younger one. He behaves well to the child elder to him but neglect the younger ones. Can you suggest a rubric? A related rubric, a good rubric in that case, mind aversion children to, beloved children become suddenly burdensome for him. He behaves well to the child elder to him or younger to him, whatever it may be, and neglect the other one. So mind aversion children to, beloved children become suddenly burdensome for him. That's a beautiful rubric given in synthesis repertory. Feels of become paralyzed, great fear of being or delusion of being paralyzed. Suppose the patient have pain on the right shoulder, she fears that she will get paralyzed on the right shoulder, on the right side of the body. The rubric mind fear paralysis of. Mind delusion paralyzed, he is about to be paralyzed. Extremities paralysis sensation of. These are some common complaints in our day-to-day clinical practice. Mind fear paralysis of, mind delusion paralyzed, he is about to be paralyzed. Extremities paralysis sensation of. Aversion to studies but active in games. The child has extreme aversion for studying but very active in games. That's a common complaint nowadays by the parents. We can take the rubric mental exertion aversion to. Education aversion to, that is another rubric in complete repertory. Education aversion, that rubric is there only in complete repertory. Then aversion to education, that is there in synthesis repertory. Mind aversion education to, that is in synthesis repertory. These are all three rubric we can consider in this case. Always indulged in playing with the mobile phone. Husband always complain about the wife, or mother always complain about the daughter. That is my daughter always playing or indulged playing with the mobile phone only. You can consider the rubric either mind monomania, or another rubric mind talking one subject of nothing but. So the monomania, that's the most important rubric in this case. Another rubric mind talking one subject of nothing but. never accepts his mistakes because of ego. He never accepts his mistake. The rubric egotism. Egotism. And she always complaining after the menopause. She has lot of problems after the menopause, mental and physical problems, whatever it may be, always complaining after she attained the menopause. The rubric mind complaining menopause during. Mind complaining menopause during. Can you suggest a rubric for these people? Even though they are giving a small banana, nearly 4 people, they donated 2 banana to a poor man. Can you suggest a rubric for this type of people? They want to show everything, even though they are giving trivial things. The rubric mentioned in synthesis repertoire, that is a braggart. A person who boasts about their achievements or possessions. Braggart, showing off. Feel there is nobody to help him. Feeling of being left alone. Can you suggest a rubric for this condition? Rubric, simple rubric, that is a forsaken. Gets angry and violent when he does not get what he demands. My husband gets very angry and violent when he does not get what he demands. It's a complaint by wife. The rubric anger, violent. Things don't go as he wishes. When things don't go as he wishes, he will become violent. Another rubric, anger refused when things he wants are. Anger refused when things he wants are. So instead of selecting anger easily, you have to select this type of specific rubric and we will get good results. Patient asks the doctor to write and give the name of medicine prescribed to him. Usually many of the homeopathy doctors are not giving prescription, but in this case the patient wants to ask the doctor to write and give the name of the medicine prescribed to him. Then he will search in the book or internet to find out about the remedy, whether that remedy is suitable for me or not. That is a suspicious. Suspicious. That's a rubric in this case. He is suspicious. Pleasing others to get good opinion from them. She always please others to get good opinion from them. 2 rubrics are there. Mind longing, good opinion of others for. Then mind pleasing, desire to please others. These are 2 related rubrics for that condition. Longing to get good opinion of others. Mind pleasing, desire to please others. Always argues for his friend and support him. She very much argues for his friend and support him even in tense or critical situations. That means she is very loyal, mind loyal. That's a rubric. She pulls her own hair always. She pulls her own hair always. Otherwise, it is very difficult even to sleep. Mind pulling, hair, desire to pull, her own hair. That's a rubric. Mind pulling, hair, desire to pull, her own hair. Always sits in the back bench alone. Can you suggest a rubric for this child or a student? Always sits in the back bench alone. Company aversion to desire for solitude. Another rubric is timidity. Maybe because of timidity is sitting in the back bench. Or company aversion to desire for solitude. Feels he cannot breathe in. That's a type of thought or delusion. Feels he cannot breathe in sufficiently. Rubric, mind delusion, breath, cannot breathe. That is an important rubric. Mind delusion, breath, cannot breathe. The sad feeling that my superior criticized me prevents me from doing my work. I am so sensitive to my criticism of boss. The sad feeling that my superior criticized me prevents me from doing my work. The rubric, sensitive criticism too. That's one rubric. Another rubric, mind anxiety, work, preventing work, anxiety from. Mind anxiety, preventing work from anxiety and sensitive to criticism. Even though he smiles, he keeps revenge inside him. Can you suggest a rubric for this type of personality? Some HODs or principals are like this. Even though he smiles, he keeps revenge inside him. The rubric, mind hatred, revengeful and hatred. Both hatred and revengeful. Hatred means a dislike feeling with a prejudice feeling. Plus, the patient is revengeful. So even though he smiles, he keeps revenge inside him. There is a good sub-rubric under the hatred, revengeful and hatred. Feels that somebody is doing witchcraft or something evil against him. Always a delusion, a feeling that somebody is doing witchcraft or something evil against him. The rubric, delusion, evil happened to him, feeling as though some evil he had. Another rubric, delusion, poisoned, he is about to be poisoned. So delusion evil or delusion poisoned. The thought of my wife is faithless is haunting me. The thought that my wife is faithless is haunting me. Mind delusion, wife faithless. Mind delusion, wife faithless. So we had already discussed some interesting clinical situations and rubrics. Everything we derived from our own OPD at Government Homeopathy Medical College, Calicut. The only way to master the repertory or the master the art of case taking, that is only by going through the pages of the repertory and also taking the cases of the different age group. There is no other way. So try to note down each and every symptoms given by the patient in acute and chronic disease and try to convert that into the language of the repertory. Majority of the symptoms are there in your repertory, like the Candida synthesis, Murphy or complete repertory. And many of the physicians who have never used the repertory or rarely used the repertory complain about its elaborate and time consuming nature. Without a repertory, it is very difficult to prescribe in chronic diseases and also the acute diseases with multiple symptoms. It is not possible to prescribe. So that's the importance of this work. Okay, students and doctors, and that's all for the time being. This work will definitely help the students and practitioners to scale greater heights and will help to take the homeopathy system to the pinnacles of the glory. So please visit our Facebook page, Homeopathy Homeobook. We request you to give your valuable reviews, comments and suggestions in our WhatsApp number or email ID. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. youtube.com/drmansurali and the part 6 that will be available soon in the YouTube. Meantime, try to study these clinical situations and the rubrics and the sub-rubrics. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for watching our channel. Please visit our website homeobook.com. That means everything on homeopathy. We would like to have everything on homeopathy. We would like to try for everything on homeopathy in our homeobook.com website. So dear doctors and friends, that's all for the time being. Thank you.